Hi guys, welcome to my channel Math Skills. Today we will learn to count squares in an easiest way. If they have given a figure such as shown below which contains a lot of square and they will ask us to find out the number of squares in it. Okay? Let us start with a simple one. What is the traditional way? This one is simple, so we can do it like 1, 2, 3, 4 and the bigger square. So total is 5. Correct? Now, that was the traditional way. How about if we do it in this way? See, 1 plus 2 square. 1 plus 2 square. That is 5. Okay? Let us see if this holds good for a bigger number of squares, if there are a lot of number. This will hold good only when the number of rows and columns are same in a square. Here number of row is 2, column is also 2. Okay, this contains 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, the base squares, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So what is our step next? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. How much it will be? 30. Okay, we got it as 30. So similar way, if the rows and columns are equal and they have given a bigger square, like if there are 9 cross 9 rows and columns, just do 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square, like that till 9 square and find out the answer. Okay, now let us go for another one where the rows and columns are not equal. Then how will you find out for that? In this figure, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? Okay, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it's 6 cross 4, correct? Now for this the technique is different. That is, you have to multiply 6 by 4. How much it is? It's 24. Now decrease by 1. 5 cross 3, that is 15. 4 cross 2, that is 8. 3 cross 1, that is 3. Now continue until the answer is 0. Next what it will be? 2 multiplied by 0, that is 0. So till that you have to continue. After that add all this. That is 50. So the number of squares in this is 50. See how we did it without counting. If we had done with counting, it would take a lot of time. Okay, how we did this method. First we took 6 cross 4. Okay, let me show it. First we did the bigger square. Okay, 6 cross 4. Then we multiplied the smaller square, that is 5 cross 3. Correct? Did you get it? Next what did we do? We did 4 cross 2. Okay, the next sequence was 3 cross 1. Correct? That is 1, 2, 3 cross 1. Did you get it? It went on decreasing and at last we added all those to get the number of squares. Okay, let us see how to do for this one. How will you find the number of squares in this figure? If you remember, at first the simplest one we had did this one. What did we do for this? For this we did 1 square plus 2 square, correct? So is it there in this? Can you see in this figure? That is nothing but this one. Okay, again, so it is 5. 1 square plus 2 square is 5. Okay, again, if you see, check again this box. This is again another big box. So how much squares it will have? Same amount, right? Again, this is another one, the biggest box. Okay, so again you have to add 5. How much it will be? The answer is 15. So there are 15 squares in this figure. Same way, similar way, if they ask you like this. Similarly, if they ask this kind of figure, see, I have done it for you. How did I do this? I have taken this one as a 3 cross 3 box, correct? When the rows and columns are equal, what did we do? We did it with this method, right? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. How much it will come? It will come as plus 9 plus 1, that is, we get it as 14. Okay, now what else squares is remaining? The remaining is 1 square over here, 1 over here, 1 over here, and 1 over here. Just add 4 to this 14, that is 18. You get the answer as 18. Hope this is clear. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and press the bell icon so you can get notifications of my next videos. Stay tuned. I will come up with more videos of this kind. Thank you so much.